Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if the keyboard shortcuts are not working in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into it. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word to bring up and open the Microsoft Word. Click on it. Now open the blank document and then maximize it. Here you will find the File tab, which is the very first tab right here. And then click on More, click on Options. Here you will find Language, click on that. Then you need to click on Add a Language. We need to add the English US. So scroll down to the E section. Now in my case, English United States has already been added. Now click on once you choose your language, you just need to simply click on Install. Now mine has already been chosen. So I'm just going to close this window. Now once you find English, click on that and click on Set as Preferred or Set as Default. And in here, you also need to click on English United States and click on Set as Preferred. Click on Yes. And then once done, you need to click on OK. Please restart the office, click on OK. And that's the first method. Now for the second method, click on the File tab again, click on More. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Options. Here you'll find Customize ribbon. Here you'll find Keyboard Shortcuts. Click on Customize. So here you'll find this option Reset All. If this is accessible in your case, if this button is not grayed out, then you need to simply click on Reset All and click on OK. And then you have to close the window and that's it. By that two methods, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.